Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Karcher pressure washer soap dispenser not working. So soap only works with the low pressure nozzle. So you can switch to a black soap nozzle or low pressure settings. If you are using a high pressure nozzle, the soap won't dispense at all. So this is the number one reason why most people face this particular issue. Now you need to inspect the soap intake system. You need to basically remove the soap tube and check if it is blocked or kinked. At the end of the tube, there is a small filter which you need to basically clean properly. If the filter is clogged, the soap won't be drawn into the system. Also make sure that the tube is fully submerged in the detergent. If it is still not working, you can basically look for the injector, and the injector may be clogged, so you can run clean water through the system for a few minutes. You can also use warm water to flush out the detergent buildup. If needed, simply remove and clean the soap injector carefully. Clogging is another most common reason when basically you face this problem, because the soap dries inside the machine. So you can try these fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.